Good afternoon, Solve.Care community. I am Pradeep Goel, CEO of Solve.Care, and I am excited to give you an update about the progress of the company since the token sale ended about 2 weeks ago. First, I would like to thank the incredible support, participation, encouragement, and guidance we received from many of you when it comes to how we conducted the token sale and the incredible success of the token sale. In this market, in this day and age, to accomplish what we collectively accomplished, I hope each one of you is very proud, as the team is. Since the token sale has ended, we have been very, very busy. We are doing an exhaustive audit on 3 tracks around wallet ownership. Who owns the wallet, making sure that they have signed all the appropriate addendums, their information is accurate and in our databases, and that we are doing everything to be compliant in terms of the wallet ownership. The second thing that we're working on is checking every single transaction that occurred in all these wallets. When it was done, was the right amount of tokens given, and so on and so forth. The third is all the adjustments, bonuses and PEG and many other things that we have to do to ensure that everyone ends up with the right number of tokens in their wallet. None of this is easy, but all of this is very important, particularly because we are a compliant sale and we have worked very hard to be compliant. And I'm very proud of the fact that we have done an incredibly high integrity and high visibility, high transparency token sale. That really is how IPOs are done. So we have done everything right and we want to keep doing everything right. So this process is taking some time, and it may take another 2 to 3 weeks before we are finished, and we will keep you informed. But I'm glad that the audit is progressing very well, and as soon as it is finished, I will give you another update. Let's talk about Care Cards. As many of you know, Care Cards are decentralized applications that reside in the Care wallet, and that can be shared and linked and synced across wallets. Consumer wallet has its own Care Cards, physician wallet has its own, insurer wallet has its own, and so does a therapist or the ambulance driver, and so on. There are literally hundreds of Care Cards. For example, an eligibility card that your insurance company can issue to your wallet and that you can send to the doctor's wallet, and thereby eliminating the need for either one of you to call the insurance company's call center. Lots of cost savings, ease of usage, efficiencies, and so on. Because there are such a large volume of cards in discussions, we are anxious to engage the Care community, you, in building them. So we are launching a Care Card contest in the next few weeks, where you'll be able to participate in the design and functionality of the first dozen or so Care Cards that we need to bring to market as soon as possible. Some of these cards our clients are requesting and are paying for, and some of these cards we are sponsoring and paying for. Regardless of that, the cards are going to be built and published for thousands, if not millions, of Care wallet holders to use. And then eventually you'll be able to build Care Cards that you want to build and publish on the Care marketplace for the benefit of all. So please look out for the Care Card contest that we have already announced, and details are coming soon. And the combination of the Care wallet and the Care Cards really will transform healthcare for all of us and for the future generations. We are having tremendous success in speaking to clients and prospects around the world, in the US, in Canada, in the Middle East, in Africa. Everyone who we talk to is very excited about the fact that we have real use cases that are immediately useful and applicable to their business. So we are seeing tremendous interest from clients to move into a pilot phase or into real production. We will keep you informed as these opportunities convert into contracts. But we are very excited about all that's happening. The second is about product development. So we have a well-published roadmap, which starts with provider wallets, which have already been launched in Arizona with our client Arizona Care Network. And we are accelerating the release of consumer wallets. We are going through the process right now of evaluating when we can actually launch the consumer wallet, but it is coming in weeks and months, not years. So we're very excited about the fact that every one of you who has a CAN token can use the wallet and improve the healthcare for yourself or your family over the next several weeks. The third thing we want to talk about is the delivery. As you all know, we have a substantial multi-year contract with Arizona Care Network, and we are very excited to tell you that we have launched the physician care wallet in Arizona to a controlled group of physicians, and we are going through the acceptance testing and feedback from these real-life doctors and care providers, and we are going to launch to a much broader community of physicians over the next several weeks. Our client, Arizona Care Network, is very excited, very involved, and very complimentary of what we are doing with them. In summary, what I want to tell you is that Solve.Care not only did a tremendous token sale project, we are now very busy building a company and delivering solutions to the market that will change healthcare for the better, for you, for my family, for our parents, and for the future generations. Stay with us as we build the best platform on the planet.